Happy New Year! Ganda ko naman ngayon New Year. Wow! O, diba? Ganda ng handa namin. Salamat po, Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa blessings. Prosperity bowl. Siyempre, electric fan pa more. And of course, ay mga Pinoy, hindi mawawala ang fruits on the table. Anong oras na ba? It's 10:48 p.m. So, maghihintay na lang kami ng 12 midnight. Ganon. Oh my gosh, kailangan ng electric fan bongacious because it's hot. Happy New Year, everybody! I pray na everybody is healthy and wealthy in 2026. Yun. Michaela, look at Mama. Michaela, look at Mama Ann. Ah, you're so pretty naman. Ready na ang aming table.
We go all around the world.
2026 na. Oh, you're swimming!
And witness all the best moments.
You're swimming, anak.
We go home. Go faster.
Happy New Year! Mika! Happy New Year, Mama!
I got a kitty.
Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
I love you! Mix! Mika, who is your favorite aunt?
Mama Ann.
I love you. Tambay si Babsi. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ah! Mika! Miki! Ate, doon ka! Mika! Mika, come here! Happy New Year! 2026 na! Happy New Year, asawa ko sa Canada. LDR kami ni James. I love you, bebe. Nakatayo naman. My baby. Nakatayo ang alin? Dito, ate.
Yung ako?
Ano pa tayo?
Ano magandang background?
Ito, dito.
Mix, dali!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Gising, mga kapitbahay! Charot!
Sky, Daddy. Where's Santa?
Yung Santa po. Santa's... Why?
La 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 la. Mix, mix! Patotot na nak.
Totot na.
Oo. Oo. Baka si Hulong. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Ma, where's the fireworks?
No fireworks.
You know the fireworks now.
Happy New Year! Thank you, Papa Jesus, for another year. Charot. Mix, Happy New Year! Mika! Mix, Happy New Year! I love you! Happy New Year, Tita Beshis! Tita Beshis! Naghihintay ako ng paputok, mga Mars. I'll be there.
Daddy,
I swear.
can you help me?
Woo! Countdown kami. 20 seconds! Tatalon tayo? Six, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Abo, kami lang ba yung nag-Happy New Year? Hindi man yung mga kapitbahay natin parang hindi naman Happy New Year. Happy New Year!
Fireworks.
Happy New Year! Mika!
Wow!
Fireworks? You wanna see the fireworks?
Ate, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Ron. Tara na!
Come in.
Labas! Love you. Love you!
Fireworks.
Ay! Apo, wala na. Bilis. Mayaman sila eh. Happy New Year! Last year wala yan, ate. Oh. Ay, oh. Shad. Okay. Ganda. O, diba? May pa-fireworks ang Cebu. Ang Cebu City. Ganda ng buwan, oh. Happy New Year, mga kapitbahay!
Sarap lang.
It's January 3rd. It's Holo's birthday, baptism day. Matthew's baptism.
Isama mo siya pag nakadaya-per.
Matthew of Sabia.
Kita pa yung photo ito.
Hindi ko pa na-video si Matthew. Ang ganda nito. Mamaya mo nabihisan kasi. Magusto.
Ay, sorry.
Pwede na.
Esog ko siya.
Agoy! Our bebe. Our bebe. Our bebe. Love, love, mama. Love, love, mama. Yun, nakuha ni Mama An-An. Nakuha ni Mama An-An ang smile. Oh, love you. Ay, guwapo. Aroy! Ito pala dapat nga pang video ko sa'yo eh. Hindi ka nadidistract. Hindi ka nadidistract. Malaki kasi cellphone ni Mama An-An eh, no?
Oo, kita-kita niya yung itim.
Oo. Kaya naugtas siya. Bebe. Lab. O, yan. We're going Pinyag.
Mommy, tambakan.
Ate, isa na muna.
Ha?
Lagay mo yun dito lahat.
Oo. Wait, ito.
Ay, malamig.
Oh. Ninang na ninang ang itsura ko. So, tita. Yee! Hi guys! Say hi to the vlog! Hello!
Say hi.
Michaela!
Meg, say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
The flag.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, Ate Poo! Hello! Daw kasal ba ni Hulo? Hulo, ganito tayo sa kasal mo. Sa church na kami. With the
Take your time. Tama lang, tama. Is it your will that we baptize Matthew in the face of the chief professor of you? So Matthew, ibunyagan ko ikaw sa ngalan sa Amahan, sa Anak, at sa Espiritu Santo. Okay, thank you. Let's go.
umiyak na nung binuhusan ng tubig. Umiyak sa sungit ni Father. Charot. Oo. Sungit ka ko ni Father?
Daddy, can I have some?
Hi. Say hi, Ate Poo. Hello. Say hi, Isoy. Hello.